How's it going, boss?
Good, how are you?
Good. What you got here?
It's my brother's Xbox, but something's wrong with the HDMI port.
Okay.
So the quality is just
yeah.
terrible. Yeah.
I see it's like
And it
a
only
little
works
chipped.
when it's like plugged in a
Certain angle. Yeah. I see. Definitely needs a good clean too. I saw
Yeah.
big piece of dust in there. So I'll swap out the HDMI port, give it a good deep clean. I'll replace the thermal paste too while I'm in there.
Okay.
I think we got them in today. Do we have more HDMI ports, right, for the Series X?
Yeah, we have a lot.
You do it today?
Yeah, I could get it done today. Figure 2 to 3 hours I should be able to get it done for you. But it'll definitely be ready today. What's your first and last name? There you go. Just give me a few hours. I'll give you a call, though.
Thank you.
No problem. I'll see you soon.
Okay, so the deep clean is done. It's pretty much just putting on new thermal paste now, right?
Awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Which one? Awesome. So it's got deep clean, new thermal, and then also the HDMI port's been fixed. And then just so you know, too, 90-day warranty. If you have any issues overheating or HDMI port's not working, just bring it in. Have a great rest of your day.
Thanks, you too.